Hello, children. This is Manish Yadav, your English teacher, and today we are going to do the second portion for the chapter second, that is the Tiger King, for class 12th. This chapter has been taken from Vistas, a supplementary, and in previous video we explained up to so clearly. Here in this video we are going to explain from this line. The chief astrologer took off his spectacles and gazed intently at the baby. When a 10-year-old child spoke about his own life's prophecy, because an astrologer predicted that he would die because of a tiger. So he spoke among the people that everybody has to die someday who has been given birth on the earth. So the astrologer was shocked, and he took off his spectacle and gazed. He began to look constantly at the baby. That how surprisingly he spoke. All those who are born will one day have to die. This is the quotation. A double inverted comma has been added. So this word has been spoken by the king. 10 days a born child. All those or everybody who are born in this world will one day have to die. Everybody has to die. We don't need your predictions to know that. And there is nothing to think about your prediction. Everybody has to die, so this is common. There would be some sense if you could tell us the manner of that death. If you give us the manner, the way how I'll be killed by a tiger, then it is the matter to believe. It would be believable if you give the reason that how will I be killed by a tiger. It is common that everybody has to die, but it is not common that how has everybody to die. The royal infant uttered these words in this little squeaky voice, and royal infant means prince. He spoke these words in his little squeaky voice. Prince, in ancient time, successor of princes. If successor of prince is there in the family, they were considered as the next prince. It was the tradition in ancient time, or in that country where there is no democracy. Next, what happened? The chief astrologer placed his finger on his nose in wonder. The chief astrologer, he was shocked. He was surprised to listen the words or squeaky voice of that 10 days born child, and he placed his finger on his nose. Surprisingly, he was looking at the child. A baby barely 10 days old opens its his lips in speech. How is it possible that a 10-day born child is speaking? Not only that, it also raises intelligent questions. And this is not enough that a 10-day born child was speaking, but also he was raising intelligent questions. Incredible. So this is unbelievable. Rather like the bulletins issued by the War Office than facts. And the chief astrologer took his finger off his nose and fixed his eyes upon the little prince. Now, this time, the moment when astrologer listened the child, he began to look, he began to gaze at the child, fixing his eyes upon him, because it was a wonderful fact that a 10-day born child was speaking. The prince was born in the hour of the bull. The bull and the tiger are enemies. Therefore, the death comes from the tiger, he explained. The reason the astrologer gave to the prince, what is the reason? That is why he would be killed by a tiger. The reason is the prince was born in the hour of bull. Okay, bull is known as Rishabh Rashi. It is our Indian culture, and Rishabh Rashi. Okay, and the bull or the tiger are enemies, and both are enemies. Tiger are enemies of bull, and bull are enemies of tiger. Therefore, the death comes from the tiger eggs plant. Okay, I hope it would be clear to everybody. Now, you may think that Crown Prince Jung Bahadur was thrown into a quake when he heard the word tiger. That was exactly what did not happen. The writer, Kalki, the writer of this chapter, Kalki, says to us that we may think that Crown Prince Jung Bahadur was thrown into a quake. Okay, means to be afraid when he heard the word tiger. But nothing happened exactly there. Okay, there was no effect, there was no squeak or afraid or fear in Jung Bahadur, because he was looking as brave, he was looking as a great courageous child. As soon as he heard, he pronounced. What did he pronounce? The Crown Prince gave a deep growl, a serious voice. Terrifying words emerged from his lips, and the words which he spoke, it was terrifying. Let tigers beware. Okay, he is threatening the tiger that let the tiger beware of me. Means he was terrifying. He was, trying to scare the tigers that they have to be aware of me. I'll not be there. I do not have any problem. I am not afraid of tigers. It seems that the child was very brave. This account is only a rumor or life in Pratibandpuram, but with hindsight we may conclude it was based on some truth. This account, this story, here confusingly the writer says to us that it may be a folk tale or a rumor rife in Pratibandpuram, but with hindsight we may conclude with it all based on some truth. But there are some truth on the basis of that we can believe that it may be a true story. What happened in the second part? Crown Prince Jung Bahadur grew taller and stronger day after day. Crown Prince, the Tiger King Jung Bahadur, grew. He was growing up, he was growing taller and stronger day after day. This is the natural phenomena that everybody has to grow up. Okay, no other miracle marked his childhood days apart from the event already described. Okay, and there was no other miracle, only there was a miracle that he spoke. Okay, when he was 10-day a born child, he spoke that moment, so it was only a miracle. Thereafter nothing happened as miracle in his life. The boy drank the milk on an English cow. Now here the narrator describes about his caring that what did he eat, what did he drink. He was drinking the milk of an English cow. Okay, it was believed in those days that everything who belonged to Britishers or Englishmen, it was branded. Okay, as this is the craziness of the people that craze to have branded things nowadays. So it was believed in those days that everything that belonged to the Britishers were branded. Tutors in English by Englishman, and he was taught. The Tiger King was taught by Englishman, saw nothing but English films, and he used to watch English films in those days, exactly as the Crown Prince of all the other Indian states did. Okay, and exactly he was given education and caring like other Indian states as they did. When he came of age at 20, when the king became 20 years old, the state which had been with the court of wards until then came into his hands. Here, a court of wards. What does it mean? Court of wards. It is it is an association. Okay, commission, you can say, that was ruling over the state until the prince does not hold the system and everything ruined. Okay, so commission was looking after and ruling over the state until the prince prince does not hold the command and control everything. So, but everyone in the kingdom remembered the astrologer's prediction. Many continued to discuss the matter. Slowly, it came to the Maharaja's ears. But everyone in the kingdom, means everybody who were available at the moment when an astrologer predicted about the king's life, that what would happen with him, everybody knew it. And remember, many continued to discuss the matter, and so many of them were discussing and having talk about that prediction. Slowly it came to the Maharaja's ears, and gradually Maharaja comes to know about that discussion, that people are talking about that prediction which an astrologer made for me. Then what happened? There were innumerable forests in the Pratibandpuram state, and there were so many, many forests in that state. They had tigers in them, and there were so many tigers available in the forests as well. The Maharaja knew the old saying, and Maharaja also remembered the old saying, means what the astrologer predicted about his life. You may kill even a cow in self defense. It was the belief of the Tiger King that anybody can kill even a cow in his defense. If a cow is dangerous, if a cow can kill or attack a person, so that person who is attacked by a cow may kill the cow in his self defense. It is clear, I think. The Maharaja knew that there could be certainly no objection to killing tigers in self defense. So there would be no objection with anybody if I kill tigers in my self defense. So it is very clear. The Maharaja started out on a tiger hunt, okay, and the Tiger King, Jung Bahadur started killing tigers. He began to hunt tigers. The Maharaja was thrilled beyond measures when he killed the first tiger, and he sent for the state astrologer and showed him the dead beast. The Maharaja, Jung Bahadur, thrilled. He was so happy beyond the measure when he killed his first tiger. At the moment when he killed first tiger, he was so happy. He sent for the state, and he sent as a parcel the dead beast to the astrologer, state astrologer, for showing him that I have killed first tiger. What do you say now? He demanded. And Jung Bahadur, he proclaimed that, what do you say? He demanded the answer on behalf of astrologer. Your Majesty, may kill 99 tigers in exactly the same manner. But the astrologer drawled. The astrologer wrote as reply that you may kill 99 of tigers, okay, exactly the same manner. But he stopped his voice. He did not say. He was shocked. But what? Speak without fear. The Maharaja required the further statements of astrologer, that don't be afraid of anything, speak clearly. But you must be very careful with the 100th tiger. The astrologer again predicted that you have to be very careful with the 100th, 100वें टाइगर से आपको बहुत ही सावधान रहना है. Next, let us know what happened. What if the 100th tiger were also killed? The Maharaja, Jung Bahadur, says that, what would happen if I'll kill the 100th one? Then I'll tear up my books of astrology. Astrologer promises that I'll tear up, मैं फाड़ दूंगा अपनी डिग्री एस्ट्रोलॉजी की, set fire to them, और आग में जला दूंगा, and I shall cut my tuft. And tuft means it is a part of hair which is known as टिक्की, okay, जिसको हमारे देहात में चुरकी बोलते हैं. कुछ बाल का जो है मिडल साइड में हिस्सा छोड़ दिया जाता है, बढ़ता जाता है. स्पेशली इट कुड बी सीन इन ब्राह्मण्स फैमिली. नाउ क्रॉप माई हेयर, और अपने बालों को छोटा करवा लूँगा. आई मेक माई हेयर ट्रिम्ड एंड बिकम इंश्योरेंस एज इन टर्म इंश्योरेंस एजेंट बन जाऊँगा. बिकॉज देर वुड बी नो मीनिंग और वैल्यू और रिस्पेक्ट ऑफ माई एस्ट्रोलॉजी, बिकॉज इट वुड बी प्रूव्ड wrong prediction. The astrologer finished on an ignorant note, and he was confused by saying so many promises and things to the king. Uh, that's it for this video. We will cover the third paragraph, third part of this story in the next one. Keep practicing and learning.